Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ShareX audio not recording on ShareX in 2026. So if your screen recordings have no sound, microphone is not working, or audio is missing, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, open ShareX and go to your screen recording settings. Make sure audio recording is enabled because sometimes it gets turned off accidentally. Next, check your audio device selection. Select the correct microphone or system audio device that you actually want to record. Now go to Windows Sound Settings and make sure your microphone is not muted and input levels are working properly. Next, check if FFmpeg is installed correctly inside ShareX. Audio recording depends on FFmpeg, so reinstall it if something is broken. Now make sure System Audio Capture is enabled if you want to record desktop sound. Without it, only video will be recorded. Next, close other apps like Discord or voice chat tools that may take exclusive control of your microphone. Now check privacy settings in Windows and make sure ShareX has permission to access microphone input. Next, try switching audio capture mode inside ShareX settings to see if another option works better. Now update your audio drivers because outdated drivers can cause missing or distorted sound. Finally, restart ShareX and test a new recording to confirm audio is working properly. And that's it. You've successfully fixed ShareX audio not recording issue. Now your videos should capture sound correctly without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.